How to fix stray low-level fatal error. Here are some possible fixes you may try. Fix 1. Power cycle your device. Fix 2. Check for GPU update using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Fix 3. Run Stray as administrator. Like this. Fix 4. Set up launch option. Add D3D11 into Stray launch options. Fix 5. Verify game. Files. 5.1. For Epic Launcher, 5.2. For Steam, Fix 6, Update Windows. Fix 7, try launching the game using dedicated GPU. For AMD, enable switchable graphics in AMD Radeon settings. 7.2. For NVIDIA, add Stray.exe into program settings under Manage 3D settings. And choose a high-performance NVIDIA processor. Fix 8, reinstall Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. Fix 9, disable overlays. 9.1 Turn off Discord overlay. 9.2 Turn off Xbox Game Bar. 9.3 Turn off Steam overlay. Fix 11, check for game update. Fix 12, uninstall then reinstall the game.